Do you want to be more healthy? Would you like a system that just works for you? I'm Bains, and I welcome you to my course on how to be super healthy and increase performance in your body. Most people keep doing what they've always done and so keep getting the same old results. You, however, are not most people, so I acknowledge and honor you for being here. By the end of this course, you will become the master of your own health, know exactly what to do to increase performance in your body and mind. You will be confident enough to cut your own path through life rather than following in other people's footsteps. You will become a leader rather than a follower. Since we're going to spend the next 5 or 6 hours together, allow me to give you a short background on why I'm doing this. Through a series of accidents, my health got completely destroyed and I ended up disabled for over 6 months, where I needed 24/7 care to get in and out of bed, to have a shower, to go to the toilet, to have my clothes changed. I got transferred to 4 different hospitals and none of them knew what to do with me. I then embarked on my journey to save my life and figure out how the body is designed to heal and keep itself healthy. What I learned was so mind-bogglingly different to what society has taught me on how to keep myself healthy that I first had to unlearn all this. I used my own body to try all this on and it totally changed my life. I am now at my ideal weight with a 6-pack and I have so much energy that even now it staggers me. I am at my healthiest at age 50 than I've ever been, even in my 20s and 30s. I then started running live workshops in London and I still get messages from my students telling me how amazing they feel now. I realized that I needed to get this online, so this course was born. Rest assured that this will change your life for the better. And I'm thrilled to be able to serve you. So let's get this show on the road.